Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cappasity token. Ticker symbol is CAPP. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Cappasity. So their official webpage is Cappasity.com. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with a full white paper on here, their Etherscan, Medium articles, Bitcoin Talk, Twitter, Reddit, GitHub. They have a Telegram on here, price chart, contract address, all sorts of information is available on CoinMarketCap. So how you get this token, it is available on a central exchange. It's available on Kucoin. So you would download Kucoin from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, and you could either fund your account with Bitcoin or Ethereum, because that's what it's paired with, and then simply go into the trade section, search CAPP, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now their Etherscan, it says they have 7,577 holders already, so they're doing very well. This token was actually in the top gainer section the other day. Yesterday I saw it took a dive though. I think it was down like 30% or something yesterday. So it didn't do very well yesterday, but it was in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap this week. 13,404 transfers, 2 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of a little bit over 2.65 billion tokens. Also on their Etherscan, you can find tons of links like contact email, Medium articles, Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Bitcoin Talk, GitHub, full white paper, Telegram, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap links, all available on their Etherscan. So it says Cappasity is an easy, scalable platform for creating, embedding, and analyzing 3D and augmented reality and virtual reality content. We are introducing the first platform that solves the problem of creating and embedding 3D and VR/AR content in an affordable way. The Cappasity ecosystem is used by enterprises, SMB, and ordinary users. The ecosystem encompasses content storage, CAPP wallet, API, and SDK for third-party developers, free utilities and modules allowing users to connect to the platform via websites, mobile, and AR/VR applications. We're working on a whole lot of new features and tools, it says. So they have different links here. You could view the GitHub. It says download SDK and frameworks, and you can get the iOS framework, Android framework, Cappasity API, and Cappasity SDK. If you're looking for them, they're on their webpage, cappasity.com/tech. So it says payment solution for platform users. The Capp utility token, the CAPP token, an ERC20 token, was issued by Armeta Technologies Ltd. as a payment solution for the platform services. We accept Capp utility tokens as an alternative and more convenient payment method for the Cappasity services. Also, those paying for subscription in Capp tokens, we offer a 20% discount. The price of Capp tokens depends on supply and demand for Capp tokens and for service and can fluctuate based on market conditions. If you purchase Capp tokens on the Kucoin exchange, you represent that you are doing so for the primary purpose of utilizing Capp tokens to pay for these services and not as an investment. The Capp token sale transactions on our platform are processed by Armada Technologies Ltd., a Cayman Island company, the payment processor, the issuer of Capp tokens. It says you could read their TOS. There's an ETH to Capp exchange on here. They have the contract address. It's got free subscription plans for the community as well. If you have more than 5 million Capp tokens on your crypto wallet, you can use the premium subscription for free. If you have more than 10 million Capp tokens, you will get free access to the business subscription. The main condition is that you keep your Capp tokens in the same crypto wallet while you use the free subscription. It says please contact the support team for the free subscription upgrade, and they have a support email there. Cappasity offers a lifetime Capp subscription for e-commerce business owners, and you can read more about that. It says bought the tokens but didn't use them. If for some reason you did not have the opportunity to purchase the services provided by the Cappasity with the tokens during the crowdfunding event, now you will get a chance to receive the service package that amounts to the full sum paid in US dollars during the crowdfunding. This way you will not lose anything due to the exchange rate fluctuation. So you can go over that if you want to. Now let's skip over here to the roadmap here. You guys get the idea of what this token's all about. So they do have a roadmap available on their page, starting with Cappasity iOS framework update, Prada Shop, Cappasity API, AI staging, iOS application for 3D capturing mode, and then application for R&D alternative tracking. Then we got GDPR compatibility. This roadmap goes all the way back, by the way, to 2018. This is a super old roadmap. Let's skip, okay, so all this stuff is super old on here. See how far this roadmap goes. So this actually goes all the way into 2023. This is like one of the longest roadmaps probably I've ever seen. So what's coming up next here in 2023, we're going to have a GLB 3D player, MEXC SDK for Android, native AR support for Android, Shopify plugin 2.0, new architecture, NFT collection support, NFT support and batch minting, system architecture update, Magento plugin update, and native AR support for iOS, social networks, NFT marketplace, buy and sell alpha version, billing system, 3D shot for tablets, roles for users, in-app for Android, Cappasity 3D AR SDK with native rendering, and lastly, Metaverse update comes up in the future. But yeah, this roadmap is insanely long. You can go all the way back to 2018, and it's got very fine details, but that's what's coming up in the future. You can check all this out, like I said, on their webpage at cappasity.com, and you can find this token listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and it's available for purchase on Kucoin. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.